Two. Can you read me? We got clapped there. Let me know if you read me out there, boomers. We got clapped up. I started showing you the fake X and letting you know that Donnie's not your guy. And then all of a sudden, boom. Can you read me? Drop me a comment out there, guys. Let me know if you could read me loud and clear. We just got knocked offline. It says that we are back online here. This is good too. Guys, do you believe this one? Look at this one. This was a good one. Look at this. How fake does this look? Am I showing it? No, I'm not. Let me run that back. CryptoZilla just showed it. Shared this one. Guys, are you convinced with this shit? Wow. I mean, you could even see the cuts right before it lands. I mean, come on. I mean, listen, maybe it's not clear to some other people, but I've worked in video production for I don't know how long. I mean, I've studied cinematography with Oscar winners. I'm not even going to get into the proof or not, but I've stood behind the camera with Oscar winner cinematographers, and this is BS. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Get out of here. AI bots don't play today, says Jiggerome. Yeah, I don't know who the hell's convinced with this stuff, but. And notice, you got to ask yourself, why are they landing it in the choppy ocean in the middle of nowhere in the bad weather? Because no one can be around to see the fake, guys. They got to put it in somewhere that no one can see it. They'll let you see the takeoff, but they're not going to let you see the landing, guys. They have to put it like... Why would you want to land in the middle of like a storm in the oceans on a small little ferry? Like, that's like dangerous. Why can't you just land in the middle of like the desert? You know? Wow. They got to do it in the Bermuda Triangle. There's a reason the Bermuda Triangle is right next to Cape Canaveral, guys. Come on. Shout out to Jigger. Shout out to Zilla, Ian Tattoo, Zilla, Slice Keeper. Bone Jones sprawled the streets of Albuquerque last night, stopping riders and looters. I wouldn't dare proceed if Jones got him. I didn't know about that, Slice. That's funny. Yeah, no drones hovering to get a better cinematic shot. Exactly. You get this like grainy shot there. Come on, guys. Come on. No 4K drones on them? Are they? Come on. No Red Bull drones out there? I mean, come on, guys. But some people, they still can't see what's before their eyes, you know? But once you start seeing, I mean, look, it takes, I'm telling you guys, stop fapping around and you'll start seeing things clearly. You're like, hold up. This is like, you know, you start with the moon landing, you go into a little JFK, a little bit of 9/11, a little moon landing, and you're like, oh, God. Drop a comment here in the population of the chat box. We've been on for about 50 minutes after getting clapped up there momentarily apparently by YouTube. Could we sue him now or what? Apparently we could sue YouTube now. CryptoZilla just donated 1 ice cream. Thank you so much to CryptoZilla. We got 3 people over there on DLive. Follow me on DLive. I'm back posting there. I did some good videos. Like sometimes in the afternoon, I'll just pop up and start running videos and like doing commentary. It was fun. It was fun. I've seen a couple people. I saw David Couch show up. A few other people showed up on me. But when I do those surprise streams there on DLive, we get more just DLivers popping into the box. I had to clap some guy up there. Some virtue signaling U.S. patriot talking about free speech and asking me where I'm from, asking me 21 questions. I clapped him out the box. He was disrupting me. Let's check out the street. Police protesters clashes. Okay, we get that, guys. We get it. We get it. Here's why the unloved but welcome U.S. stock market rally from March lows won't last, says Goldman. But these are the same people we're talking about. We were going to hit the, we were going to go above 3,000. Now they're saying it's not going to last. CoinDesk. How about Ether, though, guys? Ether. We made the call on Ether. Look, let me tell you, the two best plays that I've done in the past couple months are Ether and Fiverr. Sprinkle a little eBay and work in there, but eBay and Fiverr. Oh, let's talk about the Amazon play that I had last week. If you guys been following me, I told you I had Amazon close above 24.33 on Friday, so I was getting clapped up the whole day. And if you notice, Amazon did close above 24.33, but I learned something, and I ended up getting clapped, and I want to share this. When I did a put credit spread 15 minutes before close, the stock was still down. I was in the red. The broker needs to settle right before the market closes. So they settled, and I had a loss. Okay, about 5 minutes later, the stock took off and closed above to 2040. But you know, it makes sense to me because they got to settle before it closes. So they need to have time to settle the books. And I got clapped. And that's something I learned, you know, too risky, too close to the line. And, you know, I was off by about 10 minutes. Got clapped. Now, on the other hand, if you guys were following the work Slack play that I did, that put credit spread, it was beautiful. Green, green, green. I never even went red one time there on that one. So you may want to check out that out, trading a put credit spread on Robinhood Slack. I have that one there on the videos, and I show everything on Robinhood, the order, the whole thing, the whole details right there, the whole shebang. And that play ended up perfect. Closed excellent. Now this week I got the same play that I did on Slack, but I'm doing it on eBay. Put credit spread. I think I need eBay. I'll double check, but I need it to close above 41.50, I believe. So I'm already in the money with eBay. And eBay's, you know, as far as those put credits have been great. So between eBay, Slack, Fiverr, and Ether Classic, I've been winning. Where is my eBay? Yeah, there it is. Oh, I'm great. Look at that. eBay just keeps going. Yeah, I think I gotta close either 41.50 or 42.50, but we're way above that. So I'm doing good. With the eBay, I did the same play I've been doing. It's kind of like the work play, $100 collateral to earn 25. So really, you're only putting up 75 risk. And the probability of that hitting mathematically came out to like 76 or 77%. Which is about the same percentage I calculated for the Amazon play, but it didn't hit. I got clapped. So that's eBay. Let's run down the winners and losers here. Drop a comment here in the population of the chat box. Could you guys read me? I'm not seeing any of these chats come in. Could you guys read me? I don't got anybody here with me. Is this thing on? Yeah, we're on. Drop a comment. Let me know if you read me. We got 2 people who are here on D-Lab, but it says that. Okay, now it's showing me people on YouTube. Where are you guys at? Drop me a comment. They must have started a whole new video for me after getting clapped up on the first broadcast this morning. I hate when they do that. It's been a while since that happened, and then all of a sudden it happened. Right, this got broken up into 2 streams. That's all good. Drop me a comment, guys. Let me know what's shaking and baking. But if you haven't tuned into the beginning part of the broadcast, I'm looking at long on glass construction companies. Here are some of the ETFs. Construction engineering. Here's a company, a glass and aluminum company out of Minnesota, APOG, that I'm looking at. I'm looking at long on private and military defense. Top ETFs are PPA, XAR, and ITA. And we're looking into possibly shorting these insurance companies. They're some of the top ETFs, KIE, KBWP, and IAK. But I'm getting information here in the chat box that some of these insurance companies may not be covering the losses of due to these rioting and looting. So I got to look more into that. CryptoZilla can read me. Thank you, Zilla. Zoom is up. Cardano is up against Bitcoin. What's up with Cardano? The last time I checked, it was down, though. Cardano's down 4% against Bitcoin, but it's up against... No, Cardano's down 4% against the dollar, but up against Bitcoin, according to this chart. Link is up. Fastly's one that I've been watching. This is they're similar to Cloudflare. They host sites. And how about Work Slack? I've talked enough about that. Marathon Oil, I'm not in that play. There's a lot of green on the boards. Let's see if there's anything in the red that's worth looking. Canopy Growth, which is that cannabis stock, is getting clapped. Steam's getting clapped. Gilead, which is a pharmaceutical, is getting clapped. Maker and EOS are down, and PLT as well. This is one that I'm holding. It's a weird play. I don't understand this one. Etsy's down as well. I got some Etsy. I'm still in the green with that one. I started buying Etsy at, I think it's 74, right around here. Johnson & Johnson's down. Johnson & Johnson seems strong to me. Nvidia, Baba, Upwork. Keep an eye on TLT, guys. This is the 20-plus year Treasury bond ETF. When things get really, really uncertain, people go into this. So as you could see, this one really took off, and it's kind of been trading sideways, but there's some gains here with TLT. You can see it went up in March, okay? So right here, March 9th, Donnie declared the state of emergency around the 13th. So around that time, TLT went up. So uncertain and a bad market is going to... So this does the opposite. Like if the stocks are crashing, people are going to flee to the bonds. So keep an eye on TLT. I'll take a few more comments and questions before we retire the stream. We've been on for over an hour. This is part 2. I know we've been on for only like 10 minutes on this one, but that's because we got clapped. All right, guys, stay strong out there. Hold on, before I sign off, let me check out DLive. I want to make sure that, I'm not ignoring anyone over there on the live. Now, we got not much going on over there. Shout out to Zilla. Maybe next time we'll pass out some lemons. Guys, drop a comment. And like Zilla did, if you have any information, if you want to share anything, go ahead to the DLive chat box. This thing is always open, 24 hours. You guys can drop a comment there. I know Zilla, I don't know when he dropped these comments, whether it was over the weekend or this morning. But before he even got to the chat box, I was able to click on some of the links that he shared and see it on my own. He wasn't even here. I was already on his link. So if you guys want to share something or talk, this one's always open. Shout out to Slice Keeper. You got to get going too. Yeah, shout out to Zilla and shout out to the little Zilla out there. Stay strong, and I'm glad that things are getting closer back to normal. On that note, guys, I'm out of here. Check out all the links. Check out the beginning of the broadcast because I really broke down some of the ETFs and companies that I'm going to be looking at. And shout out to Ether. Ether's doing great. On that note, I'm out of here, guys. Stay strong. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest. Champagne, thanks for